Beautiful little fishing spot. I never knew this place even existed back here. Really low. I imagine you could do some fly fishing here if you wanted to. This must be like a little peninsula off the Des Plaines River. Running pretty quick. Haven't caught nothing yet, but of course I'm not set up for fly fishing, but this was a find. Not only you got a great place to throw a pole in the water, it's secluded, and there's a lot of trails here. I came across at least 2 or 3 trails. Some man-made, some looks like it was a deer trail. But this is so peaceful and so serene.